Tell him she don't know anything about you. Amen. But Isaiah said to the church, Isaiah said, I too had to experience the supernatural rain. Isaiah said, I had to get order in my life. Yeah. He says, amen, after Uzziah died. Come on. He said, I had to get reconnected back to God. He said, I had to hear the word, because faith cometh by hearing, and hearing by the word of God. Isaiah said here, if I want to be able to carry out the assignment from the Lord, I've got to be renewed in the spirit of my mind. Oh my God, we got to be renewed. Amen. We got to get past all of this stuff. Amen. That's not profitable to our spiritual growth. Yes, yes. Oh my God. The number one thing here, you got to beware of evil thoughts. Yes, sir. Yes. Beware of evil thoughts. Amen. The psalmist said in 19 and 14, let the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be acceptable in thy sight, O Lord, my strength and my redeemer. Romans 12 and 9 says, abhor that which is evil and cleave to that which is good. You got to get evil thoughts out of your mind. Yeah. Satan plants seeds in the form of thoughts, and these evil seeds become yours when you allow those evil thoughts to move in and arrange the furniture in your heart. Well, I wonder what's I talk up in here tonight. An evil thought will arrange your goals. Well, evil thoughts will get in the way of your dreams and, amen, assassinate your ambitions. Can I talk up in here? There is a very powerful house guest called negativism and doubt that want to take root and set up house in our lives. Well, but you must understand that the devil is out to defeat you in your mind. Even evil thoughts that are left to ramble in your mind, and they will attach themselves to you and to your past. And what I find out, brothers and sisters, amen, that we spend a lot of time walking around the mountain. Amen, amen. Well, we got a lot of people that says that I've come out of Egypt, but they still got an Egypt mentality. Woo! Oh my God, I want you to know tonight, amen, that this is the time for new things now. Amen. I declared and I made a decree, amen, that I ain't going back to Pharaoh's house. Yeah. Oh my God, I ain't going back off in slavery. Amen. I'm not going back, amen, where bondage and onions and garlic, amen. I see myself in the future, and I look better already. I believe you ought to catch hold of that. Tell your neighbor, I see myself in the future, and I look better already. Oh, y'all need to get up. Y'all need to get up somebody right quick. And go tell somebody, y'all move too slow. Get up right quick. And go tell somebody, neighbor, I see myself in the future, and I look better already. Already. Yes, sir. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. It's time now. Amen, that you got to see yourself in the future. If I had about 5 more minutes here, amen. Isaiah simply said here, amen, that you got to come out of the graveyard. Amen. You got to get ready for the next rain. Come on. The next thing, you got to watch out for the commercial breaks. All right. The devil sends distractions that causes spiritual drought. Causes you to lose your desire to seek the more of God. Amen. Church becomes a ritual instead of another spiritual experience. Amen. I don't like to be around folk that look dry, talk dry, amen, and act like they God's gift to the world. Oh my God. Yes, all of us in here, if we'll be honest about it, all of us went through some storms. Amen. Your storm might not have been my storm, but you either was in a storm, amen, or you just came out of a storm, or you're still in one. Amen. Whatever your storm is, I do believe that the sun will shine after a while. Oh yeah.